the Bear Swan in magna village in Somerset for a non-children's night away. No kids weekend. So just have a look at the room. I just pulled back the sheets. Very clean pillows. No stains, which is nice. Going through those. Yeah, it seems to be very clean and tidy. This is the King Superior room. I think there's a little offer on there. Reasonable TV, Toshiba. Find the remote in a bit. Yeah, nice lamp. Radiator. So this is quite an old building. 130 years old, I think. Originally, the original building. So obviously this would have been a bedroom at some point. Got the old fire there, which is nice. Nice clock. What's the time? It's not telling the correct time, but there we are. Massive vanity mirror. Candle lamps. Let's check. That's working. Oh, good lord. There's that. Well, yeah, lamp's working. Oh, smacked my head. It's nice, that. You like it?
You like it?
Yeah. And here we have a selection of condiments. Should see, very nice. Indulge in hot chocolate, taking that home. I'll have a hot chocolate, please. Nice as biscuit. 3 glasses. 2 cups. Oh! A treat for your feet. Hair dryer. Yep. Another vanity mirror and a lamp, which is nice. So yeah, nice. Looks very clean and tidy. A few scuffs on the wall. I love those. I love these. Very retro. Let's have a look at the lamp's working. Yeah, all the pillows seem to be clean and tidy. No stains anywhere. I mean, you're going to go through too much of a... Ooh, hair. Naughty hair. Never mind. It seems to be expected now and then, I guess. Yeah, clean. Smells clean though. I'll give the hair a little moisture for her hair. Yeah, pushed into the mattress. Yeah, seems very nice. Just looking for the TV remote. Yes, let's see if that all works. Let's have a little look. That's working. Any TV? That's not some sort of garden madness. But yeah, cracks up there. But it is a very old building. I love that. Look at that fireplace, lovely. Special shout out to James and Kat, who are loving the amazing content in my videos. Let's have a look in the bathroom. Oh, it's very nice. Oh, a shower cap, multiple shower caps. Lovely. Oh yes, I mean, it's a bit, it's an old building. I mean, it's a bit crusty and dusty here and there, but I mean, what do you expect to a degree? I mean, that's not great, is it? They could do a paint in that. Hey, my rock and roll's here to stay. Oh, old-fashioned shaver. Nice vanity mirror. Clean and tidy. Oh, old fig. Moisture lotion, which is nice. Oh, yes, nice shower as well. Let's have a little look. Oh, yeah, it's relatively clean. Oh, hair. Ooh. Yeah, that's not great. Apart from that, all looking spick and span, really. That's very nice. Oh, they've got the Yeah, wig, that's fig and ginger. Mirror, optional pull out mirror, lovely. A lot of mirrors. Door closes, I'll say. Lovely. Yeah, very nice. Breakfast tomorrow morning, but yeah, seems very nice. Let's just quickly sit on the bed. Yeah, it's very comfy, very nice. So yeah, might put a video on breakfast tomorrow because breakfast not included, but you can go around and pay for it. It's a lovely little country pub in Magna. I think it was 115 for one night. Oh yeah, there we go. Seems very nice. Seems good. Seems good quality. A little bit of, you know, crusty dusty here and there, but apart from that, a really spacious, lovely room. Let's show you the view out onto the village. We've got a cooperative over there for all your cooperative needs. And of course, we've got the single bed as well. There you go, that's a little insight of the Swan Inn in True Magna.